In this particular case, we had to clear the codes. If we wanted the computer to clear the code itself, we go and look at the GM trouble code status section. Here we went down and looked up the P300 and it's giving us the status. This ignition cycle we have passed, meaning if you just made a repair, you fixed it. The last test result was a pass. But notice we have a failed in the since clear. So we've passed this ignition cycle, but in this, since we cleared the codes last time, we've had a passed and failed, both. We're going to leave that fail there until we turn off the MIL light, and then 40 cycles later, we will clear the code. But if you've just made a repair, you've passed. Therefore, you've done something. And we will turn these off after we get 3 good trips. We'll turn the mill off, wipe out the code after 40.